Okay, we have a Haas vertical machining center, model VF2SS, serial number 41619. This machine was new in 2005, and we're going to run it for you. So, this machine has a Cat 40 spindle. The table size is 36 by 14 with 30 inches of X travel, 16 of Y, and 20 of Z. He's running the X right now. You have telescopic weight covers all axes. Machine is wired for 4th axis, and it has the plug. That's your Z axis now. It also has a programmable coolant nozzle and chip auger. We're running the spindle, 2500. This machine goes up to 12,000 RPM. And it does have 1400 IPM inch per minute rapids. That's 5,000 RPM. Going up. That's 8,000 RPM. Okay. Machine also has rigid tapping. You have a side mounted 24 tool automatic tool changer here. He's indexing, doing another, simulating another tool change. And this is a 30 horsepower spindle drive. Hey, thank you for watching our video.